Okay, so here we are in the laundry room. We have the dark warm load that we just sorted, and we're going to put it in the washing machine. Toss everything in. And when you put it in, you're going to make sure that nothing's sticking out over the edge to catch on the door. So push it in and push it back. And you're going to close the door. And then I'm going to pull out this drawer where my soap gets poured into. And then I'm going to pour my soap probably about a half of a lid full because it's not a very large load. And then I'm going to dump it into the soap dispenser right here. And then I push this drawer closed. And once that's done, I'm going to turn my machine on. The dial, I typically wash a lot of loads on speed wash because they use less water. And then I'm going to select the temperature to be warm. The speed cycle, so it'll spin extra high to get a lot of the water out. And then I'm going to set the soil or dirt cycle for normal. And then I'm going to push play and wash my dark load.